How to read a book in half the time, and remember it. Reading a book in half the time while retaining its essence is achievable with a few strategic techniques. First, set a clear purpose. Identify why the book matters. Is it for knowledge, entertainment, or research? This focus will guide the reading process. Next, preview the book. Skim through the introduction, conclusion, and chapter headings. This overview provides context and highlights key themes, making it easier to grasp the main ideas during the actual reading. Employ active reading techniques. Use a pen or highlighter to underline important points. Marginal notes can help summarize thoughts and questions. This engagement enhances retention and comprehension. Consider the Pomodoro technique. Break reading sessions into focused intervals, typically 25 minutes, followed by a short break. This method maintains concentration and prevents fatigue, allowing for better information absorption. Practice speed reading techniques. Train the eyes to move quickly across the text, minimizing subvocalization, the habit of silently pronouncing words. Techniques like chunking, where groups of words are read together, can significantly increase reading speed. After reading, summarize the content. Write a brief overview of the main ideas and insights. This reinforces memory and understanding. Discussing the book with others or teaching the concepts can further solidify knowledge. Lastly, revisit the material. A quick review after a few days helps transfer information from short-term to long-term memory. Combining these strategies can transform the reading experience, making it efficient and memorable. By implementing these techniques, anyone can read a book in half the time while retaining its key messages, enhancing both knowledge and enjoyment. Embrace these methods to unlock a world of literature without the time commitment. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more science-backed life hacks and let me know in the comments. Goodbye, see you in the next one.